Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. I'm going to try to buzz through this one because it's wicked hot here. So, block planes, methods of adjustment. It's a dance. It's a, you have to get everything just about right. So, it begins with your screw that holds the cap in place. Number one, if the screw is too tight, you won't be able to adjust it. If the screw is too loose and you start to back it out, sometimes the cap will loosen and fall off. So it's a dance. Same thing with the Lie-Nielsen. With this style, you have this adjuster nut underneath, and then you have your rear and forward and advance. Same thing with this one. If that's too loose, when you go to back up, this can slide off. So we've talked about block planes, how they can be used one-handed. They're used to take corners off, okay? They're used to plane end grain. So if you're doing end grain, you either want to back up your far side or you want to knock a little corner off of that. That's so you don't blow out your grain. So you get a nice clean end grain, no saw marks. And as long as that blade is sharp and you have no nicks in it, this will be smooth. So how I adjust mine, I will loosen this ever so slightly, make an adjustment, tighten it back up. And because these do not have a lateral, you need to do that manually. Okay? Same with the Lie-Nielsen. Lie-Nielsen's a little smoother. What is, we got a fly. Fly in the camera. With the Lie-Nielsen, it's a little smoother. All you have to do is just loosen this up a little bit, make your adjustment, whatever it is, and then tighten it back up so it doesn't move, okay? You can still get a little more adjustment, okay? But that's the key. The key is that screw. You have to, it's a dance, okay? If it's too tight, you're not going to be able to adjust it. If it's too loose, when you back it out, you run the risk of it coming apart. Does that help? I sure hope that helps because that's what I know about it. And it probably is more susceptible on the low angle block planes than the standard because you are so low. So that's about it. I'm going to get out of this hot workshop, go where it's cool. Maybe I'll give these blades one more sharpening so that they're both identical. And we'll do a shootout. The Lie-Nielsen against the Miller's Falls. As of right now, they both work. These are indispensable tools. Everyone should have one or two of them. Head out to your shop. We'll make some shavings. Walter out.